Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm here to show you how to play the E flat major scale. So first off, I'm just going to quickly run through 1 and 2 octaves, show you what those look like. If you would like a more detailed, in-depth tutorial, stick around. I'm going to go through hands separately with all the fingerings and notes in just 1 second, but here, let's just take a look at a quick demonstration of the E flat major 1 octave scale. Okay, now let's check out 2 octaves. Before we get started on the deep dive, again, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And remember, you can always share my video with your friends and family. All right, E flat has, the key signature of E flat major has 3 flats, and those are going to be B flat, E flat, and A flat. Now, when we have a scale that starts on a black key, a flat in this case, we want to remember that we never use our pinky or thumbs on a black key when we play a scale. We can use our thumbs and pinkies, and we do when we play chords, but never when we play scales. So for that reason, the fingering for the right hand is going to start with our 3rd finger. But first, let me go through the letter names for the right hand, and then we'll look at the finger numbers. Here are the letter names for the E flat major scale. It's going to be E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat. Okay, so let's take a look at those finger numbers. So again, we're not going to put our thumb or our pinky on a black key. So we're starting with our 3rd finger on E flat. Our thumb is going to tuck under to play F, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to tuck our thumb under to play C, D, and we end with our 3rd finger on E flat. Back down. 3, 2, 1. We're going to cross our 4 over to the B flat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross over and end on 3. Okay. So let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand uses the exact same letters, so I'm just going to go over the finger numbers. Our left hand is also going to start on the 3rd finger, like this. 3, 2, 1. When we get here, we're going to cross our 4th finger all the way over to A flat. So 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to end by crossing our 3rd finger to E flat. Back down. 3, tuck your thumb to D. 2, 3 on B flat, 4 on A flat, tuck your thumb to G, 2, 3. All right. Okay, I'm going to put hands together. Make sure you pay attention to the fingering. So we're going to start with both our 3rd fingers on E flat. So we got E flat, tuck your thumb under to F, G. 4th finger in your left hand goes on the A flat, B flat, tuck your right hand thumb to C, D. Both hands end on E flat with our 3s. E flat, D, C. Right hand 4 crosses to B flat, A flat. Thumb in the left hand goes on G, F, E flat. Let me do that a little smoother for you. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat. All right. For 2 octaves, it's exactly the same. Here we go. So both hands start with 3s on E flat. Here it is, 2 octaves, hands together. E flat, F, G, crush your left hand 4 to A flat, B flat, right hand thumb on C, D, E flat, F, G, crush your 4 on A flat, your left hand, B flat, C, D, both hands end on 3 on E flat, back down. E flat, tuck your thumb in your left hand, D, C, 4 goes on B flat in your right hand, B flat, A flat, left hand thumb on G, F, both 3s on E flat, then left hand thumb goes to D, C, 4th finger on B flat, A flat, thumb on G, F, E flat. Here it is smoother. is how you play the E flat major 1 and 2 octave scales. Not the hardest scale that we've learned, but not definitely the easiest either. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.